welcome to SGA Unplugged. Please know while this podcast is presented by members of the UTRGV Student Government Association, the opinions, ideas discussed, shared in this episode are our own and do not necessarily reflect the official views or positions of the UTRGV Student Government Association. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to SGA Unplugged, the UTRGV podcast by two senators at large. Sadly, my co-host isn't here right now, but today we have two very special guests, the UTRGV Biology Club. We have
I'm Kylie Rocha. I'm president of Biology Club.
and you.
I'm Leslie Felix, and I am the treasurer of Biology Club.
Welcome to the podcast. Oh my God, what Daniel? Let's start by can you tell us a little bit about yourselves and your roles in the biology club and what drew you to biology in the first place?
So I'm Kylie Rocha. I'm
Can
president
you give it a
of
little closer to
Biology
the mic?
Club. And basically our
So I mean, what is biology? Biology is the study of life, right? Everyone's alive, so I feel like if you think about it in that way, biology is everyone and everything. So biology is very interdisciplinary and multidisciplinary. So there's obviously a lot of overlap between different fields in science. So, and that's what we wanted to bring with Biology Club. So we wanted to be inclusive to all kinds of majors and to people. I mean, biology is interesting. Learning new things is fun, and bringing that to more people, I think that's what we want to do. I mean, that's why I joined Biology Club.
yeah, and it's not just about biology too. Like we have other
Can you look closer to the mic? Sorry about that.
we have other like opportunities like for nursing homes and stuff like that. Like rear reforestation was something we wanted to participate in, but unfortunately we didn't have the members to participate.
Yeah.
So we're trying to hold that off for next semester. And we also did. We're gonna do some beach cleanups. We work with the city of Edinburgh as much as like they have events to work with. So
Yeah.
Sorry.
So,
Sorry for there's something's happening real quick. All right, so wait, you're doing beach cleanup. So you guys, but even though you're biology club, you guys aren't all about like biology,
yeah,
like
we're not all about biology.
so like what else do you do that's not biology, and what do you do that is biology? I'm kind of interested because I thought you guys low key were just like biology.
Oh, no. But like recently we worked with like the mad science.
Oh yeah, so we had like a
Monster
Mad Sciences event, and we did the showcase at the science building. So technically, that's not just biology; that's the School of Integrative Biological and Chemical Sciences. So I mean, biology is related to everything. We're all alive, like I said. Chemistry, geology. I mean, the Earth, the planet, right? And so that's one of the things that we've been working on. Sustainability, like Kylie mentioned. So we've been doing a lot of like community service with the university with on VLink as well. So we did Sustainability Day. When was that?
Oh, you guys did student accessibility. What did y'all do?
Yeah. So
Well, we're literally okay.
First
We were told it was gonna be
Like
like
a
an
campus
event, yeah, like an event thing. So we're
yeah.
gonna set up a table, and then it changed to like a cleanup. So we're like, okay, we're gonna like come with trash bags, or whatever, right?
Okay.
And then it turned into like manual labor. Where we're like digging up weeds, and
for the
dirt.
whole day. Hey, but you know what? We did our part. We cleaned up.
Oh yeah, it's like the science. It was a science building, right? Like when you come in, like it's like that whole little stretch of land.
I mean, I love that you all did it, even though they told you like they kept changing it up.
Oh, yeah.
I'm glad you guys did that. So y'all dug holes for like how long?
We
Like a good hour.
Yeah. Have you seen the movie Holes? Because that was that was low key us.
Oh, I love the book/movie. I saw it like so many times in middle school.
I had to carry her on my back up the science building. No.
So you guys do a lot of stuff like that's not biology too in the biology. Like, what do you do that is biology then?
I mean, that kind of is biology. That's
Like,
why.
so what is biology to you? Like everything?
I mean, it's biology. Literally, is the study of life.
So everything that's alive is biology.
Yes, and then on top of that, we live on Earth. That's why we try to contribute to sustainability.
I love that. I love that response, and it's because I love it because it's so like wow to me. Like I'm in an environmental awareness club, but I don't consider like a lot of the stuff like life is like biology. I don't know. It's so weird to me. You get me? Like,
so that's what I was saying at the beginning. Like it's what is it, like multidisciplinary? Like there's so many things that go into it, and if you want to go further into it, like Kylie's not even a biology.
I'm not a biology.
you're not a biology major.
I'm a nursing major and a kin minor. So
Yeah, and she does integrated health
Yeah.
science? Yeah, so it's like, well, health science, that's also life. you know? Like, you need, like, we're alive, what can I
Yeah,
say?
TBH, I did it for the hours, but then I was like, oh, okay. Once I started to learn more about it, I was like,
And
Yeah, I feel like that's something we unofficially all kind of
can you get a little
agreed
bit
on.
closer?
That's something we all kind of unofficially agreed on. Like, we had that similar view of having biology club as a space where we could all have fun and bond over this interest, but at the same time have a space where we could work towards something, you know? So with like our community service and just like a lot of the outreach things that we do on campus, I feel like those have all been really good opportunities that we wouldn't have gotten to be a part of if we weren't working as a group or in union, you know? Like all of these things that we've been able to do, like the sustainability day, the cleanup, like that's a team effort at the end of the day. And just ending up in a place with people who are somewhat like-minded in that sense was very fortunate, I guess. And yeah.
So, did the movie Holds get you interested in biology, or were you already interested in before that? I want to know, like, you're a biology major, I assume?
Oh yeah, so I'm a double major biology and health science and integrated health science. So
And you,
I'm just thinking
not
yours.
Leslie, Kelly? Kylie, I'm sorry about that.
it's okay. Oh, yeah, I'm just integrated health science and then kinesiology.
Wow, so how did you get did you get interested, like,
Yeah, it's 'cause
barely
I-
now? Were you interested in high school, middle
No,
school?
yeah, I was interested in high school. I was president for the Science Honor Society, so that I wanted to like continue like a club here in college. So when I found out biology club was hosting like meetings and stuff like that, and they were also running for officer positions, I was like, oh, okay, that's something I want to like do. But like my intention wasn't to run for president; it was just to be a member. But
Oh,
I
so
wanted
you're
to,
the
like-
president?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, I thought Leslie was the president.
No, yeah, she could be.
no, I'm just a yapper, guys.
But yeah,
Professional yapper.
I wanted to share like the stuff that I did during high school, that like the opportunities that I had, which was like going to nursing homes, going to the banks, going to the reforestation, going to beach cleanups, going to the like city of Edinburgh cleanups and all that stuff. So I wanted to share it with like other members that wanted like hours and experience to put like in their resumes and stuff. So yeah.
So that's why you joined? And you? Like, why did you? Okay, you're the president, so you didn't start this club? Like, how did you become the president? Like,
Well, basically, what I had heard from it was like a dead club. Like they were barely starting it after COVID.
Yeah. So we
they wanted to
should.
get it started again.
I feel like we should get into that a bit because
I would love to hear about that.
the way I heard about it is I work in a research lab, and there's some grad students who work in the same research lab who had told me about the bio club, but it was like some mythical lore because at this point, yeah, no, it was like a story that was made up because at this point the bio club did not exist when they first told me about it, right? But I was like, this seems so fun. Like I would just see pictures like on the showcase in the science building, and I was like, oh, like what? I wonder what club that is. And it was the bio club. Like those pictures have been up for years, and I guess nobody really realized that the bio club was kind of dead during the pandemic. It kind of hit, you know.
It died?
Yeah, so like they lost membership during the pandemic. I guess they didn't have like a supervisor. I don't know. So it died, and then my grad students were telling me about it, and they're like, yeah, there's some faculty that want to revive it that are kind of interested. And I was like, oh my god, like that's such an amazing opportunity. Like there's like this, they would just tell me all these stories, and I'm like, this is a gold mine of like
It
an
does sound like a
experience
gold
of an
mine.
experience, yeah, that we could have. Like we could be having this much fun, and like we could have something, right? So we wanted to revive it, and I guess the dream is still alive because I mean here we are, right?
So both of you revived it as a team? Did you revive? Because you're the president, you get me?
Well,
Like,
obviously,
but
like, yeah, like we did it as a team effort.
It's a
like,
team effort
We're
for
still
sure.
missing two of our other members, which is Amabelli and Michelle.
Yeah.
So
shout out to
Amabelli and Michelle.
Amabelli and Michelle. Yep, our Amabelli's our VP and Michelle's our secretary.
Yeah.
Best secretary ever. I love
Without her, I don't know where we'd be right now.
she's
I'm glad you guys brought it back up from the dead. So, because y'all said it died around like 2020, y'all assume, and right now it's 2025. So
Yeah.
for 5 years, it was just.
Yeah, only like what I heard when I came in, I was
Yeah.
like, oh, okay. I literally heard about this club from a lecture I was sitting in. I was like, okay.
Wow.
Yeah, I saw it on Instagram actually. I saw the page and I was like, oh, like that's cool, bio club. Like I should go to a meeting. And then I checked the Instagram. Last post is like 2022, like 2022 or something like that. And nobody was even technically part of the club. And I was
Oh, yeah.
like, what is this relic I have come across?
And then you just had to y'all's group had the idea to like bring it back, and now y'all brought it back. Do
Oh,
y'all
yeah.
have like a new advisor? It's all cleared up. Everything.
Oh, it's I don't know how to say her name. Her name like Angelica
Yeah.
Briones.
Yeah, I don't know.
And then
how to
Cody
say her
Mon
last
is
name.
our also advisor.
Yeah, our advisors. And actually, from what I understand, Angelica was in it when she was a student, and she is now part of the faculty.
Yeah.
Ooh, I
Isn't
love
that
that.
really
Is she
cool?
is she now the advisor now?
Yeah.
She's not-
Yes.
That's actually awesome.
Right, and that's kind of like, I feel like she really put in a lot of like the work behind the scenes to like bring it back.
I think Cody was part of it too.
No, yeah, for sure. But no, yeah, I mean both of them. To be honest, they did an amazing job, and I mean, we formed a group, so I mean something.
I mean, we're trying
something-
our best
they did
because
something.
we're obviously like a small group, so.
I mean, the fact that you guys already brought it back says a lot. So I mean, I very much respect that. I do have a question for y'all. Going back to like how y'all do what y'all do, like how do y'all decide what to do in biology club? Because it sounds like some of it's biology and a lot of other of it is also like about medicine.
Mhm.
So like, how do you guys decide what to do? Is it like, oh, y'all plan something? Is it like, hey, let's do a vote?
Oh.
Is it like, oh, this looks cool, let's do it?
Honestly, we just do like whatever events come up, like whatever we see like online, like with the city of Edinburgh, we follow that page closely, and the SPI beach cleanups, we follow it on their Facebook. So like whatever events that they have, we're like, okay, let's see how many people can go to this, and then let's get like a vote and see who can go, and then we'll go from there. So like honestly, any event that is just there, we'll probably do it. And when it comes to like the nursing home, I contact the nursing homes to see if they have
Yeah.
any like things for us to do, like if they need any help, like regardless if it's going to go talk to the patients that are there or if it's like serving their food, because I know some patients like have certain meal plans, so obviously you need to be directed by a nurse to give them that meal. So yeah.
So you guys go to the nursing homes and
Yeah,
help
we're
the
go-
nurses?
Yeah, we're gonna go.
And you guys help the nurses?
Yeah, we help them pass out like just
Yeah.
like basic stuff, just food and stuff.
Yeah, we just help out. I think the most important part of that is just like connecting with them.
Yeah, because a lot of the patients don't have family that go.
Yeah.
So we try to like.
That's honestly awesome that y'all do that. Do y'all see like, do they feel happy like, oh, you guys being there talking to them?
Well, I have gone for other organizations before, and honestly, yeah, like I've had some really, really deep conversations. Like, just think about the kind of conversations you could have with some of those people. Like, anything you can think of genuinely. Like, I've.
Like their wisdom is off the charts.
Their wisdom, yes, their
They've lived a
aura,
long
their
life.
wisdom, their aura maxing in there in the nursing home for sure. Like, they've
But they're-
dropped so many casual pieces of knowledge.
Oh yeah, but they're so appreciative that someone is actually taking the time to talk to them. So it's like it really like it sets you back like now like maybe I should go talk to like my own family when these people don't have family here that
Yeah.
come to visit them.
I should definitely, maybe I'll stop by, definitely, just talk to some, just see how it is. See,
they're
like,
definitely open to anybody that comes in.
oh, that's awesome. See, that's actually really awesome. Do you guys have any, like, upcoming events you guys are excited for, planning for, or is it?
Yes, we do. We're actually gonna go volunteer at the nursing home for the Thanksgiving. They're having a Thanksgiving feast for the patients and their families. So we're gonna go try to like, talk to everybody that we can and
Yeah,
help pass
go and
out
do that.
meals and stuff like that.
Yep.
So that's like an event y'all have coming, and that's for Thanksgiving, so it's
Yeah.
like Thanksgiving week?
Yeah, it's gonna be the 20th.
Do y'all, like, email them beforehand, like, hey, can we stop by? Do y'all, like, or is
Well-
it just you guys stop by?
Well, I call and talk to the DON or the administrator, the director of nurses, and ask like, is there any events that we could, like you guys need help with? Like, are there like anything that we can do to like offer our help? And she was like, yeah, like you guys can come in and help us serve, plates to the families and stuff like that.
I love that. I love that. So is that your favorite part about what's been your favorite part of biology club so far as the president? I kind of want to hear this. Like, is that what it is? Helping people?
Yeah, like honestly, like, and if you were to ask me to help, like offer a lending hand, I'll give it to you. Like I'll give you the shirt off my back. Like that's how like I love making connections with new people. I love talking to new people. Like I love just forming that bond with somebody. So.
And what about you?
Yeah, I feel like that's something we definitely.
Okay.
Sorry, I feel like that's something we definitely have in common. I mean, Kylie, like we are not shy people. Like me and her, like we're bonded at. But like we've definitely bonded over that. Like our willingness to help, and it's a scary world sometimes, but it's so like it lightens my world to see people that have the same passions and the same positive attitude and willingness to help others. And I feel like that's one of the greatest things that I've gotten from this club, like just to be with these people that genuinely are such good people and forming connections like that and working towards something. I think that's the best thing I've gotten from this club. Yeah.
That sounds genuinely beautiful.
It was
I'm not gonna lie. I would do the applause, but sadly, while the listeners can hear us, something's weird happening here, so we can't hear the sound
We'll do
effects.
snaps though.
No, that's really awesome. Can I ask you guys something though? So like, let's say since you're a medicine major, I'm sorry, not medicine. What's the proper terminology?
Integrated health science.
Integrated health science. Like, let's say I want to join the club. I don't know, like I'm not a biology major. Like, what would you tell a student who asks y'all, hey, what do y'all like? How can I join? I'm not a biology major. What would
yeah,
y'all?
like
What would y'all say?
All majors are open to join. Like, it
No,
doesn't
yeah.
matter if you're biology or not. Like, you can be engineering or like math or like teacher.
No, yeah, and that's in all of our posters. Like, that's one of the first
Yeah.
things we say. Like, it's open to all majors, just because biology is that interconnected. Like, I think one of our like major missions is just to inspire people's curiosity, and just bond over that as well. So if you're curious about anything biology related, show up. And if you feel like you have a good heart and a lending hand, and again, just show up.
So I've heard about y'all's short-term goals for like stuff y'all have planned next. Do y'all have any like long-term goals? Like, is like the beach cleanup thing? Are you guys gonna try to do that like every month, every year?
Oh yeah, they definitely. Well, they have it every month, like maybe like one or two every month. So we're trying to go as many as we can, but obviously it's at the beach, so it's like kind of hard to get everybody to go over there.
No, exactly,
But,
exactly.
Yeah, like long term, like I want to keep the club alive as much as I can. Like if
Yeah.
I'm able to be like an asset to the club, I definitely want to hold an officer position. But
I mean,
yeah.
you already are the president.
Oh, yeah,
What
but,
grade
like,
are you in right now?
I'm a junior.
You're a junior?
Yeah.
Okay. And you?
Oh, I'm a senior. So
You're a senior?
Yes.
She's
Wow.
I know, right? But I should still be here for a little bit while longer, grad school and stuff like that. But yeah,
Grad
I want to
school?
say, adding to that, like for sure, that's personally one of my major goals for the club. I just really want to keep this going. I saw what happened, with the pandemic and everything, and it kind of lost, it kind of fell off. I want to have something set up, so that they can, like, that people can keep it going. And I feel like we're working towards that, like, when
Oh,
it's
yeah.
going good, right?
Hopefully.
You think?
Yeah, it's going
So
good.
like,
It's going
let's
good.
say something wasn't going good. How would y'all motivate each other? Like, let's say y'all go to an event and you guys like don't think you did the best you could or stuff. Like, what would you tell them? What would you tell your
It's
members?
just like a reevaluation of what we could have done better. Like, what could we have done to bring more people, or what could we have done to sell more, whatever, right?
Mm-hmm.
So it's just like, it's not really like an issue. It's just like more like, okay, what can we do next time? Like a
Yeah.
issue that's like,
Just taking things into consideration and, like, trying to be better. Just as long as you're trying to improve, it's like, what else
Okay,
what else can you really ask for? You tried your best, and then keep, like, wanting to
going.
improve is keep going. Exactly.
that is an amazing answer. I really appreciate that. We're gonna go on to the first break in a little bit. So can I ask y'all like a more fun question?
Mm-hmm.
Like, what do y'all think about Jurassic World? Like, would that ever be possible in like 10,
yeah,
15
For
years?
sure. No,
Def-
for
yeah.
sure, for sure,
Actually?
for sure. Yes, it's possible.
It's
bro,
actually
like,
possible?
Yeah.
Are you
No,
like-
no.
oh, God.
yeah, isn't it?
No,
because
it's
they literally brought back extinct animals before, like during like.
No, yes, but for dinosaurs, the DNA is too old. It's like hundreds of millions of years old, and the DNA cannot physically. The way I have an actual answer for this,
Okay.
the DNA,
It's
it get
genetically
it, yeah.
modified, but like they still brought it back.
Well, yeah, but they needed, like, in Jurassic World, they got like some DNA from, what was it, from the mosquito in the
I'm not gonna lie, I've never seen the movies.
How
I
could
just
you ask this question? Hello, lock in. Lock in, like, no, yes, there was a mosquito and, like, some sap from a tree that hardened, and then, like, the blood in the mosquito, I guess, bit.
But like,
That's
so
what
it is possible.
yeah.
No,
that's
it's
what-
not,
yes,
though,
it
because
is.
the DNA does not last that long. I think the time frame, you can look this up, the time frame is like a couple 100,000. I will literally look it up, because actually,
Look it up,
shout
please.
out
Look it up.
to shout out to Dr. Terry. He taught me evolution. I took evolution with him. He talked about this.
I think it's possible. I mean, I heard they can bring back woolly mammoths, and they brought back
Yeah.
smaller species.
That's-
But they brought back those species for the ecosystems. Is that true or not?
That's
Yeah.
what they're saying.
Yeah, it's
but-
literally like a scientifically
yeah,
proven thing.
But,
that they
yes,
brought it
but
back.
okay, there's a difference between dinosaurs and woolly mammoths. Dinosaurs lived way, 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 way longer ago than woolly mammoths. I think you guys have your
Potato,
time frame
potato.
wrong. Hey.
Same thing.
Okay, so every 1,000 years, 75% of genetic information is lost. So after hold on, how long ago?
All right, guys. It looks like Leslie's been wrong.
Whoa,
So
no. If we need to come back to this after the break, I will, because I stand
let's
by
see if
Dr.
you
Terry.
can find any info supporting you after the break. Thanks, guys. Thanks for listening. We'll be back in a little bit. All right, guys. Welcome back to the SGA Unplugged podcast. What part of biology, like we've already answered it, but what part of biology do you like the most?
Oh, well, I don't know. For me, it's I want to say just like curiosity of it all. I feel
The
like ever since-
dinosaurs?
Yeah, exactly. That's literally what I was gonna bring up. The curiosity of it all. Ever since I was little, I was always looking at the little bugs everywhere and just thinking like, wow, that's life. But then people ask me questions like, is Jurassic World possible? And I'm like, well, the way I have an answer, the way I actually have an answer, and well, not a very clear answer, but I have an answer. Like, that's fun to me.
That is fun to you. I mean, right now you just failed to prove that it was impossible.
I did not. I just want to cite my sources that dinosaurs lived 66 million years ago, and DNA cannot be preserved longer than a couple million years. So I stand by that. Is it possible with other animals that are more recently extinct? Yes. I mean, clearly, yeah. I think that's what you were arguing, right, Kylie?
I want to give a quick shout out. My co-host Daniel Vera is back.
Yes. So sorry that I had a very long meeting, but I'm here.
Lies.
I was at a meeting with the dean of students. It was very, very fun meeting. I got a little square for you. It's a
I
little
don't want
positivity square.
I don't want that. What I want is to hear what you think of biology. Like, since you're not a biology major, I want to hear what you think about it. Because when I think about it, I think dinosaurs. I think Jurassic World.
That I believe is paleontology, but
Well, that's what we were just discussing. What even is biology? And
What do you think it is?
Yeah, what do you think it is? That's a good question.
like the study of life.
Yes, that is a study of life. And
Pick,
were,
that's the definition.
were dinosaurs
It is.
not in fact alive?
Wait, I'm sorry. What was that?
Weren't our dinosaurs, were they not alive at one point?
Were they?
I'm baffled by that. What?
Gasp! Were
What?
dinosaurs alive at one point?
Yes.
Exactly, so that means they're kind of biology.
I would
Kind
say
of.
their makeup is biology, but not. The study, because the study of biology is life in general. So yes, they could be categorized.
It's
in
a
it.
subcategory.
But
yeah.
the study of dinosaurs, that would
Yeah,
be
yeah, yeah.
paleontology.
No, yeah.
But
Two
yes.
things can be true at once. Ooh.
Yeah, I would agree to that. Yeah.
Well, it sounds like he understands biology. But wait, what gets you into biology since you are the president?
Just like the opportunities that are available out there for biology. I mean, there's so many like endless opportunities for like volunteer research or like if you want to go into something specific, like
Yeah.
people do like wildlife research as well, like going to the safari and doing all that. So I think it's like full opportunities.
Wait, what jobs do y'all have? Because to be honest, I just know about scientists.
Well, I mean, yeah. There's so
Yeah.
there's so many like niches and so many possibilities within biology. Like it can get so specific. Like, for example, I work in a research lab and I work in a vector-borne diseases lab, but we study mosquitoes, right? Those are vectors of diseases. That's entomology, and entomology, you could say, is also a subcategory of biology. And illness is, again, part of biology.
I'm not a biology major. Like, there's a lot of categories. Like, how many categories are there of biology? You know?
Endless.
Endless. Like,
Endless
genuinely, I mean, that's,
possibilities.
yeah, no. That's what, I mean, that's why I started by saying, like, biology is so interdisciplinary, multidisciplinary. Like, there's just so much to biology. I feel like that's why it's a really good like category for a club as well, because it's so broad. It allows us to have more inclusivity, you know.
Yeah, it's very
And
accepting over everything
exactly,
because
it's very open.
literally from dinosaurs to humans to
To
apes.
holes. She was talking about trees and that
Yep.
movie Holes. Like,
Mhm.
everything there.
What?
Sustainability.
The hole in the ground is biology?
Okay, that's not.
Oh, I'm sorry.
So you missed this part, but do you want to tell them about Sustainability Day?
Oh yeah, were they okay? First
Need
of
a little
all,
closer.
We were misled.
Uh-huh.
It was started off
Not
as an
really.
event that was like
Oh, well, yeah.
for tables and stuff like that, and then it like led into like a cleanup. So we thought we were gonna clean up around campus,
Mhm.
and then it led into manual labor, which is like digging holes in like in front of the science building to take out all like the weeds and,
And taking
stuff,
all the weeds and
to
then
plant flowers, and they didn't plant flowers.
we
Can I
could,
ask-
yeah, we compared the labor to the labor in holes, but it was for sustainability purposes. And is that not life related?
Can I ask who misled y'all?
That's
I mean,
That's a secret.
I can't really tell you because I just got like a bunch of different perspectives. from
honestly, if we
everybody.
knew who misled us, maybe we would have done something about it. I don't
yeah.
know.
Mm. Okay, so I guess we're off topic. I had this question in mind when I found out that y'all were going to be the guest. From a biology standpoint, 100 men or one gorilla?
Oh shoot!
Oh my
Oh,
God.
definitely the gorilla.
I'm on the 100 man
I'm on the 100
side.
man
Really?
side.
Nah, I'm on
I-
the gorilla side. I'm actually
Okay.
I'm on the 100 man side.
I'm not.
Well,
yeah.
like 100 men with weapons, or like
No.
100.
Well,
men just,
well,
like,
I think 100 men with
fists?
weapons, yeah. But
for
like
sure.
100
Okay.
men with fists, yes.
100 men that look like my co-host.
Oh
right
my
now.
god.
Oh, that changes it up. I think.
Thank you,
No,
thank you.
I think immediately 101 man. So, okay, at first I thought gorilla, but then like the more I thought about it, it's like no, like I feel like we were made for this. Like humans have so much like endurance
Yes.
that like 100 men for sure. Like, will the first 20 to 25 be taken out immediately? Like, yes, probably.
Probably.
But after, like, once we get up in the numbers, like, at least one's living.
I was gonna say, what my argument to that. Whenever people say, "Oh, the gorilla," I was like, "You forget we made mammoths extinct.
That's what I was gonna
we
say
made saber
too.
cats
But, like-
extinct."
But they had
Weapons.
weapons,
Yeah, with
probably.
weapons.
But they
Okay.
also had like 5 people doing it.
Yeah, exactly.
with weapons.
Yeah.
Like fire. Like, they
So
had,
if you
like,
take
spears.
100 men with no weapons,
I think it's about the strategy too. So, like, for mammoths and for, like, what is it, like, bison? Do you know about, buffalo, like, buffalo runs? Do you know what that is?
yes, we
No.
would. We basically from what I understand is back in the day when we would hunt the mammoths, right? We know we can't take it on one on one, so we pretty much chased it to exhaustion until it fell. And you know how it is. You can't fight when you're exhausted.
No,
Yeah.
you cannot. You can
Uh,
try.
You can try, but it's really difficult to do anything when you're completely exhausted.
And those
so.
things are big, so they probably expend a lot of energy. And then with the buffalo thing too, I want to say they would like kind of herd them and chase them, and well, they're herd animals, so they would just run mindlessly as a group, and we would like chase them off a cliff until they would just all die, and then we would just go down and then pick up the bodies. It's like it's about the strategy too, so I feel like we could also get it there.
Mhm.
Double up.
Wait, how long ago did woolly mammoths go extinct? Cause you said we couldn't bring back dinosaurs, but woolly mammoths we can.
No, I mean we definitely can. I think
I have
they
no
kind of.
idea.
I feel like no.
Wait,
yeah.
okay, so you said DNA. There's an expiration date.
Yes.
What
so
if it
will
was like
degrade.
like in the movie Jurassic Park where they had the mosquito that was covered in
Yeah,
sap?
so that's
It's
okay.
technically it's
I knew this.
technically
I knew this. And
preserved,
he
right?
asked the question, and I said, "Well, the mosquito, the sap," and he was like, "I've never even seen it." Hello, and she said the same thing.
That's
So
literally biology, right?
I'm glad somebody here knows their Jurassic World or Park lore.
That was 1995, the first movie. Great movie.
Yep.
The little DNA guy. The little DNA sequence guy came out.
Yep.
Watch Jurassic Park with Chris Pratt. Come on.
Oh,
Hey,
that's
hey,
fair
hey.
too, honestly.
Hey, Jonathan Bailey in the new one. You saw that?
No.
Oh, you know Jonathan Bailey?
Mm.
Oh, my bad.
I did watch the new one, but no, I don't know the actors' names.
Wow.
Crickets.
All right, wait, was the new one the one with Chris Pratt?
They're all 3 of them with Chris.
Oh,
Pratt.
really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So one of y'all lied to me.
No. The last one did not have Chris Pratt.
Oh yeah, it
Oh,
did.
okay.
You're
Exactly. Oh, right.
The last one had the 3 originals though. The 3 original
Oh, yeah, that's
paleontologists.
true. That is true.
Jeff Goldblum.
Let's-
But yeah, no. So could that theoretically extend the life of the DNA?
Okay, so the thing that we do, that scientists use to preserve DNA is just like temperature. When you put it in like sub-freezing temperatures, like it preserves the DNA, and so that's why woolly mammoth has been preserved, because they were frozen, right?
Oh,
Does that make sense? However, despite the cold, despite all like forms of preservation, at some point it will still degrade either way. Like I think it's said right now on Google, it was like after a couple million years, and dinosaurs existed 66 million years ago. That's what I kept saying. Woolly mammoths lived like closer to like, it was way under a million years ago. It was like 100,000 or 1,000.
Yeah, because
something like that.
they were alive when we were. And
Exactly,
At
when
that
we
point, we
existed.
were
It's not the
rodents.
Ice Age.
Yes,
Okay.
roughly.
One of them.
But-
There were multiple.
Because they're at that point
Biology
with
major,
the,
unfortunately.
I think it's the Cretaceous and all that.
Oh,
the, Creta-
okay,
the
okay,
Cretaceous
yeah,
period
yeah.
and the Triassic and Jurassic period. It was life. Like we were mammals, we were rodents at that point. That was the beginning of our evolution, and now we're here. Those mammoths would have never have lived with dinosaurs because they would have been
Exactly.
eaten up
There
all
was
the time.
no overlap, guys.
And I don't even think that us as humans could have lived at that point as well because the oxygen levels were so much greater. That's why insects
yeah.
were a lot bigger, and we actually.
Bro, he's dropping these to the knowledge that I know. He's speaking my language. This like random niche knowledge, I love.
What I want to
Yeah.
know is if the president knows that knowledge.
No. I actually do not know a single thing. What you're talking about?
She knows a lot of other things that I don't
I
know.
know more
Do-
the medical side of biology. I don't know the.
So you
the
know more about
lore.
the field work.
Yeah.
So that would that be your favorite part about biology, the field work?
Oh, yeah,
And you,
definitely.
what would it be your favorite part? Like,
Bro, everything. Let
But
me
choose
know. What do you
one.
know about bio club? That. What do you know about biology that I don't? I
Let
don't.
me try to relate it. I guess you know how we are a closed circulatory system, how we keep the oxygen inside of us,
Oh, okay.
versus an open system, which most insects. This is why
Yes.
we have like there's this thing called I believe it's oxygen intoxication, where if the atmosphere is over, I believe 25% oxygen, we die. We just
Yes.
our
Oxygen
lungs.
saturation,
Yeah.
Exactly.
Back to my point. Yeah, that's kind of like that's the reason why insects
Oh,
were
yeah.
so big back then.
Yes.
It's because they have an open system, and the more oxygen in the atmosphere, they can just continuously increase in size. Versus now, our system is closed. We don't just get rid of the oxygen; we actually utilize it, and then yeah. But
Oh, yeah.
that's
See,
the
that-
medical side of it that I know.
Exactly. I know what you're saying now.
Do you know what we're saying, Kevin?
I'm understanding it, kind of.
Kevin is here for the vibes, guys.
Hey, I was number. Yeah, I am. You know what I do love about this club so far, Daniel? Though, even though they're biology and they do a lot of biology, they also do a lot of stuff outside of it. I don't know if y'all want to just rehash it very quick. What y'all do outside of biology? Like not outside biology, but like outside of the campus.
Oh, so we try to as much work as like with beach cleanups in the city whenever they have events going on, and we also like try to contact nursing homes to see if like they need any help from us, like what can we do to provide like a more comfortable like living situation for like the patients that are there, because some patients don't have family that go, or people that pass away, unfortunately. They need like a little human touch.
They
say they
Some
give the
connection,
best
some
lore.
connection.
Oh yeah, they have the
I'm-
Oh
I believe
yeah,
wisdom of,
the
like-
aura.
Care,
The
care,
aura. That's
care to
what-
drop some that you can share?
just like literally like life lessons, like be careful who you say certain things to, or like be careful who you trust, like even your closest friend can stab you in the back, like just
Oh my
like
god,
life
dude.
like
Well-
life stuff, just like it's like be
I'll-
careful.
I'll drop this line that this one really old lady like said to me. I don't want to get into the conversation I was having with her, but she said nothing worth wanting comes easy. And it's like, bro, that's the kind of stuff somebody tells someone in a movie. I felt like, and imagine this was when I was way younger, like one of the first times I ever volunteered at a nursing home, but like it was something that genuinely like changed my brain chemistry, like, and then it's crazy because then that happens, and then I feel like every single time I go, like they drop like some crazy one liner like that, and then it's like, well, I may or may not see you ever again. And I mean, to some extent, like that's the beauty of life. Like you come across people that will affect
You're here one
you.
day and you're gone the next.
Yeah,
like,
yeah, and there's
never
so
take
much.
what you have for
exactly,
granted,
exactly.
basically.
There's so much to experience, and there's so many things to do, and so many things to live, and to share that with someone else, even if it was that one line, or to share anything with anyone else, is just like beautiful. Like that's life, you know.
That is what biology is. Life.
Biology is life.
Hey,
That
so
is
why
life.
do a lot of like medicine? A lot of people who want to go into nursing, do they major in biology? Most like why?
Oh yeah.
I mean, it's
think,
life.
yeah.
It's life.
Is
No,
it
I
like
think
is
it's
it like
being,
if you
like-
want to do nursing, you have to be biology, like basically?
mean-
From what I understand, it helps.
Yeah, it helps a lot because of the classes that are like the prereqs that are required. But now, like this year, it wasn't required because they built like a new like major, like integrated health science. It gives you like
Yes.
prereqs for nursing instead of taking like
Mhm.
OChem and physics and all that. Like, I don't use physics. And
Yeah, but they still require
Yeah,
it.
yeah, they still-
That's the thing for like nursing and medical school and a lot of professional schools. Like it's not about what degree you complete necessarily, but about what classes they want you to take that you have to take in order to apply. So then you're kind of trying to complete those prereqs with whatever interests you, to be honest. But if you want it to be within the degree requirements for like financial aid, it's easier to be in a degree that already includes those instead of like choosing something you like and then adding the prereqs, right? So with health science and biology, like that's kind of what you get. You know, all of the prereqs are kind of built in. So then it's a little bit more complicated if you go into other kinds of degree plans and things like that. But yeah, that gets into like some details that are not very bio club related, not very fun, but yeah.
No, but just thanks for answering. I was wondering about that.
So, just for y'all's two opinions, what is y'all's most favorite thing about biology and the thing that you just hate the most about it?
honestly, I couldn't tell you enough because I don't know like the nit and gritty of biology. So obviously, I'm not.
She's not a biology
I'm not a
major?
biology major.
The president is not a biology
Oh,
major.
hey,
I love that
not too
about
much-
biology
yeah,
club.
Exactly.
Because that shows that you don't need to be.
Diversity.
Exactly,
yeah.
diversity and
Diversity.
inclusion.
But yeah, so I
It
can't really
really-
tell you like what I hate the most about biology because like I don't know enough.
Well, you
about it,
can.
but
Everything,
there's nothing really
apparently.
to hate, though. Oh, but what I love about it is just like the connection that everything has. Like
Yeah.
if you have like a little spider web, like you have one thing that's like a little connected to point, and everything's like interconnected to each other. So
Yeah,
it's like
it's all connected. Everything connects, guys. For biology majors, there's this joke. What is a biology major's least favorite part of biology? And it's chemistry.
Yeah.
That's like a common joke in like biology or science circles in general. It's just that
So that's your least favorite part of biology?
not exactly, because I like chemistry. I can't lie, because it's interesting but weird. It's like complicated. I like complicated sometimes, you know.
Mhm.
But biology is way funner than chemistry. Chemistry is not like fun, like yay fun. It's like interesting, you know.
Math.
So what is your least favorite part? I kind of want to know.
I think I'd have to say, what is my least favorite thing? I honestly need a minute for this one.
It's okay.
Alright,
We can circle back to it, honestly. I guess this may help you or may not. What's the one topic in science in general that you could just hours and hours and hours, like if I knew nothing on it and you could explain everything on? What's your favorite thing?
oh, definitely anatomy. I love the anatomy of like the human body. I don't know. It's just something that's always intrigued me. But I can tell you, like for me, that's just something I could tell you like right off the bat. I guess
what is anatomy for listeners who might not know?
anatomy of like the body, like the muscles and skeletal system and stuff like that.
So
yeah.
anatomy is the body?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And I don't like the philosophy part, but we're physiology.
Physiology.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, anatomy is like the structure and physiology is like the function. There we go. If I want to get like really like niche, really into it, I'd have to say like something that I have a lot of fun with is entomology that I weirdly got into. I know that's weird. Entomology is the study of insects. You don't think about them too much, but I took an entomology class and it was the funnest class I have ever taken, ever in my life. I got so into it. And insects like play such a big role in your life that sometimes you don't even think about. I mean, everything you eat, like it had to be pollinated, you know? And insects serve as so many parts of our ecosystem. They're such a big part of ecology. If you think about it, they form like the foundation of the food pyramid. That's like another thing. They also I think the word is like they conduct a lot of like ecological labor. I think that's the phrase, where they decompose things. So it's like all the plants that grow ever, it's like, how do you know, even if they're not being pollinated, like how does the dirt even happen? You know, you ever think about that?
How does the dirt
How
happen?
does dirt exist? Like,
How
and
does it exist?
well, in part it's plants and in part it is insects and it's a lot of other things too, but like that's the foundation to everything. They play so many roles in an ecosystem, not just at the bottom of the food pyramid as well, but like dragonflies, I don't know if you know this, they're apex predators. Isn't that
Really?
like, yes?
I don't know that.
I'm not
Yeah,
gonna lie.
there's-
I forgot what the word apex means. Apex predator.
It's like at the top of the
They don't
food
have
pyramid.
something that hunts
Exactly.
them. That eats them.
Jesus.
Like that's see, like a dragonfly, you can see a little dragonfly. That's an apex predator. That's the wolf in their ecosystem. That's the lion.
Jesus.
Humans, apex, orca whales, apex. I don't know of any other
Eagles, bald eagles, though. Do they have predators?
I mean,
I think there were predators or vultures or something.
yeah, maybe bigger
I
bird.
think they might be.
Are they the
Maybe.
top bald eagles?
They might be.
They're the most protected, but
Well, they're protected because humans are messing that
yeah,
up. But
that's why we're the apex.
Yeah,
like,
that's why.
that's why
we're
we can determine what is apex and what's not.
You know what I'm really excited about? They I believe they have trivia, and I thought I was gonna do bad. Maybe let's get started on it, just so like you get me. We have enough time to finish it.
we
They
have
have trivia
about
first.
13 minutes. Go ahead, hit me with it.
Okay,
No,
wait. Which
hit
one?
me with it and this guy. Let's
Okay,
do-
okay,
Which
yeah.
one should
Can we do it like a contest?
Do a
I
hard
wish
one.
we had Jeopardy
Wait, you
style.
can
Oh my
like
God.
tap my hand. Well, this is the button. Oh wait. Maybe that
Do
shouldn't.
a hard question.
Yeah, do something.
Wait, do something easy first.
Okay.
No, do the hardest
Okay,
one
no,
first.
hard.
No, do this one first. Okay, this one's a classic. What is the mitochondria?
Oh no, I got
The
this.
powerhouse of the cell.
Yes, it's the power. Everybody knows this one. Okay. Okay, this one's another easy one. Surprisingly, more people than we thought got it wrong
yeah.
because it got confused. Remember, you gotta press the button. Whoever does it first. What essential gas do plants release?
Essential gas.
Okay, photosynthesis.
That's the process of it. Essential gas that plants in general.
If he gets it wrong, can I try again?
What? Yeah. What essential gas do
You got
plants
10.
release?
You got 5 seconds.
Oxygen.
Yes,
Oh my
oxygen.
God.
I was
Either photosynthesis or
But I
oxygen.
feel like
no.
that one.
Photosynthesis is
The process.
no the process of it getting. Is it? The
Okay,
process?
what define photosynthesis? Go.
Go ahead.
The process of it
It's
happening.
Superman.
Bro, what is photosynthesis?
It
The
takes-
process of
takes
them
in light.
converting light to air.
It takes in light
The process of them converting light, converting it into air. Consuming
energy.
oxygen.
And energy.
Okay.
See, I was thinking, okay, they releases carbon. No, that's us. We
That's
take it and then
us, yeah.
we get it out. But then the trees
I was-
take the carbon.
I was
and
thinking oxygen or photosynthesis. I was like, all right, 50-50.
oh, Kevin, I like your haircut.
Appreciated.
What is a food chain?
The way energy flows through a pyramid
Dude,
flows through
he
like.
ate that. Yes,
Actually,
a
It
food
goes
He's
chain.
from
good.
like it goes like 10. Is it 10 or 1%? It's like 10.
It's not very clear, but pretty much a food chain though
it goes to a pyramid.
it's
It
just
goes from like
the
grass.
transfer of energy, how
grass
to, like,
energy
bug
and nutrients
to-
flow.
Wow.
Yep. And then
Nice. I would not have guessed that. I was gonna say we eat the small ones.
okay, we're getting to some harder questions. Where does photosynthesis occur?
Good luck.
Where does it occur? I don't like this. I'm just showing everyone how dumb I am.
No.
Where does photosynthesis occur? In
I give
you're talking about cellular?
Yeah, I mean, honestly, any
In the
answer,
stem?
anything
In
at this
the
point.
within the cell.
Well,
In the stem?
in chloroplasts, do you know?
Oh yes, that's part of the
chloroplast?
cell. Yes.
Do you know about chlorophyll too?
No.
I've heard about it in biology.
It's been a trend recently. People will drink chlorophyll water for like health benefits.
But it makes
What
it
is
green.
It makes the
chlorophyll?
water. Yeah, so I think it's like one of the protein that makes it green,
Mm.
or the molecule that
Gives it
makes
the
it green.
color.
It gives it the color. But honestly, from what I've read, it just turns the water green. But people are like, it's healthy.
Have y'all drank it?
I'd rather have matcha.
No.
Okay.
I'd rather have 2% milk.
Okay, this is
Whole
a.
milk.
Oh. What?
I'd rather have milk. As biology majors, do y'all like? Oh, sorry to interrupt. Let's go back to trivia. But do y'all like agree with milk? Is it really bad for the?
Agree with milk.
Is it really bad? Because I know a lot of people who
for
eat.
what?
Well, we like
Okay.
drinking milk.
Let's take it a step back. Vegetarians.
Okay.
Yes.
Are you guys?
Oh, no.
I'm asking y'all.
Oh no, I'm not
Okay. Now I can take it
very
forward.
much.
Like milk, because a lot of people says it's really bad for you. Like a lot of us are lactose intolerant. Is that like false? Is it
Does it-
true?
Doesn't it have calcium to build our bones?
Yes.
Well,
Is that all
actually-
true? Is it the myth? Because I remember in high school
That's
debate
low
like
key a myth.
Really?
Like it does have it does have it and it does help, but most of the nutrients from milk is because the milk is reinforced. Like the people who package the milk, they like will put vitamins in there for us because we need them. Like our cereals are reinforced, our milk is reinforced with vitamins and stuff like that. But if you like speaking ecologically, milk is kind of bad for the environment just because like cows are such like energy intensive resource, and like the methane, like
produce
all
a
of this
lot of
other
methane.
stuff. Yeah, so that goes into it as well. If you really think about it, like it's really bad for the environment, but also like milk is kind of good. Like it's in everything too. Like
Yeah,
cheese,
I like
cream.
steak. I don't know.
Oh yeah.
I love
Exactly.
steak. Sorry, environment can take the L on that
Yeah,
one.
it's a little rough there. Well, that's why we're going to
I can help the
Sustainability
environment by
Day.
eating all
That's
the
just
steak.
we're doing our
There,
part.
there you
Yeah,
go. I like that.
we're doing our part, guys.
I love that. I love that. Now let's go back to the trivia.
Okay, more
but that was
trivia.
so
Oh, this
simple.
one is hard. Now these are the hard ones, I think.
We couldn't get
No,
the
that's a
medium.
medium.
one.
Oh, this is a medium
Yeah.
one. Oh, I'm sorry. If you're they're not bio majors.
Okay.
then. Well, what is the main function of the rough ER?
The rough.
Oh my god! I remember the rough soft ER biology.
I
class.
do not. I no, this is not me.
Endoplasmic reticulum.
Endoplasmic reticulum.
I was gonna ask if I could phone a friend.
You should,
yeah.
Loki. We did this trivia at a tabling event for Halloween, and we did let people phone a friend. And the answer is protein synthesis. So the endoplasmic reticulum is just that squiggly part, and the rough ER is because it has ribosomes, and the ribosomes.
I know that. That's a
make
word.
the protein.
I know that word.
Exactly. I know some of those words. Okay. Oh, I said this, so you should know. What is the pigment in plants that absorb energy?
Pigment in plants. I was gonna say
Chlorophyll.
Hey!
Oh, nice. I was gonna say humans.
Oh,
Humans.
which blood type is known as the universal donor?
Oh, negative.
Oh, negative. Oh,
Yeah, that was a tie. That was a tie.
that-
What?
Well,
What is O positive? Okay, I would have said O positive.
Oh, negative. So I
Is that a
heard
different
that
blood type?
is no. I'm actually kind of curious because O negative can only take O negative,
yes, that is.
but they can give it to everyone.
Yes.
Isn't it like the best to be like I think AB positive because you can accept any blood type?
Mm.
For example, if there's like a blood shortage, it's
Yes.
best to be AB positive because everything will work with you.
That is
But
kinda true.
O negative, it's like the
Yeah.
worst because you can only take
Yeah.
one blood type.
You think that, but actually, if I remember correctly, O is the most common type.
Ah,
I don't know about
okay.
RH factor. So technically, even if say like you're O negative and you need O negative, a lot of people are O.
But if you're AB, you don't. You can get
get- yeah,
anybody.
You can get anybody, but you can only give to O negative,
Mhm.
right?
Is O positive a thing? Because I would have said
Yes,
O
yeah.
positive.
O positive is a
Is
thing.
that a bad blood type to have?
You can only
They
give to the
have-
positives.
Yeah, you can only
So
give to
B
the positive.
positive, A positive.
But any A, B, or B positive can take O positive, so that's good. And did you guys know? You know, in shows when they're like, "He's running out of blood. Somebody donate blood," and like they donate the blood at the hospital.
Like a random person.
You know, that's not like they have to clean the blood. So like the blood that people donate, like that doesn't just go to the patient. Like you can't just donate blood for your mom or something like that.
Right
Like,
then and there, at least.
Yeah.
So me and my mom won't have the same blood type.
No, well you can
Like, what are the odds we do? Because I'm, she's my
No,
mom.
no. The issue is not. No.
Probably, probably high odds.
I think
you probably
you'll-
have the same blood type.
But like when it gets more down into it, like for example, kidneys. Like you, just because she's your mom doesn't mean you'll be able to accept her
that's
kidney,
true.
right? Like
Wow.
Yeah. Well, but it's not necessarily the compatibility. It's about the fact that they process the blood. So it takes like a month to clean and process blood that is donated. So the blood that you receive is like will always be a month old, I guess. But it's clean. It's crisp.
all right. What? How many questions do we have left on trivia?
That's
Give us like the
Oh,
extra,
All right, now
extra,
we have.
extra
Give us
hard
the
one.
hardest, and then we
Okay.
have a couple questions.
Oh,
for
yeah.
you.
Oh no
For me
trivia.
over the.
Should we give him
No,
this
okay.
one?
Okay.
This is. We should give him this one.
Yeah. Okay.
What is the first law of thermodynamics?
Oh,
I know the third law of thermodynamics.
Which, well, I don't know.
The increment of the system is equal to the.
Oh, he actually
Supply
knew.
of the
That is
system?
the third, but this is.
I
the
don't know.
first law of matter cannot be created or destroyed.
Isn't that
It's close.
Matter cannot be
only
created
rearranged?
or destroyed.
It's about energy, though, thermodynamics. So-
I should know this. I'm engineering. I don't though.
What's your major?
Engineering.
Engineer?
Yeah,
Like
I should know this, but I don't.
mechanical civil?
No, computer. So
Oh.
this is like my least of my
So maybe
forte.
not.
Yeah, maybe not know this.
Okay.
I just know the third law.
Energy. I know it was like matter cannot be created or destroyed. Energy cannot be created or destroyed.
Energy, I think is- yeah. And
Wait, was that the answer?
Yeah, and energy specifically is conserved and cells convert energy from food or sunlight into usable forms. So,
Mhm.
but energy It's
Jesus.
converted, not created.
And then a little fun fact on that, but like anything of matter or that contains mass. No, anything of matter cannot move at the speed of light, and anything that does not matter has to move at the speed of light. There's no in between. So air or like I'm sorry that has mass. Light, it moves at the speed of light, but anything that has any amount of
And dark
matter.
holes.
So like the absence of light, perhaps.
Yeah.
Like a dark.
All right, let's go back to the trivia we have for them. I do have a funny question to ask y'all
Go
at the end. Can I ask y'all real quick? Do you think dark holes lead to a different universe? Or is that just a thing I see on TikTok?
I think it's just a thing I see on TikTok.
Low-key, maybe. I feel like we don't
What?
know. Like we don't know. Truly,
So
we
if
don't
If
know.
I were to dig a 600-foot hole, it would lead to the other side of the world.
Well,
Theoretically,
600.
no, theoretically you could, like if you were protected the whole way through the core.
I feel like you die with heat.
But that's what I'm saying. If you were protected the whole
Oh,
way through,
okay. I think
theoretically
the
you
pressure
could.
and the gravity would also play. But if
like,
you were
protected.
protected.
Like yeah,
Okay.
actually yeah.
I'll take that as a yes. Let's go
Yeah.
start it with the trivia. I do
All
want to hear
right,
this.
go ahead.
No, you start. You
All
say
right.
it, bro.
So lightning round for both of you. You have like half second to think of an answer, just off the top of your head. Ready? I'll go ask you, and then you answer first, and then you answer, and then I'll ask you the second one, then you answer, then you answer. Ready? Favorite animal or species?
Oh, cat.
Dog.
Ooh.
Favorite biology class or lab experiment so far?
Titration.
AMP, I guess.
Titration is fun. I don't know what that is.
I hate it.
Anatomy, physiology.
Dream field trip location for the club. All expenses paid.
Some beach, not SPI.
Oh,
Because we already got SPI.
Yeah, I was gonna say something about like another
Or like a really big national park.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Favorite nature spot around the valley or on campus?
The birding center.
Estero Llano Grande State Park.
If you could meet one famous scientist, alive or dead, who would it be?
Einstein.
Or I don't know. Marie Curie. I don't know.
Juan's gonna be mad at that. Why did you say Isaac Newton? No, I'm kidding.
Yeah, why did you say that?
Okay, go to study playlist or background noise. Do you guys like white noise when you're studying? Or?
Classical music.
You
But it
know
has to be
about-
like one with no words. It has to be like instrumental.
You know about brown noise?
No.
Brown
Put a little
noise.
twist on white noise. Yeah. Look that up, guys.
Favorite UTRGV biology club memory so far?
Ooh, the Mad Scientist Monster Mash thing that we had.
Must
Because we all
be
dressed up.
Ironically, just to give a different answer, the hard labor that we did for similar. Because, like, it was unfortunate, but it was funny, and I feel like truly we bonded.
Oh, yeah. True.
If the biology club made a short documentary, what would it be named?
Life in Motion.
Yes, life in motion.
Who in the club would survive the longest in the wild?
Me. Hey, me.
You didn't know which bugs to eat, which
Oh,
animals.
No,
Yeah,
yeah,
she
yeah,
got
yeah,
that.
yeah.
Okay,
I
now
know.
who would survive the least longest?
Oh, I love that.
I know the answer, but I can't call him out, and you
Call
know.
him out.
Oh,
Call him
you
out.
know.
Call him out, please.
You know it starts with
Call him out.
and then it
I
ends with a.
Call
Yeah.
him out, please.
He's
Like,
our homeboy. He's our
yeah.
bestie.
Too bad.
He's our ride or die.
I
He'll
called
be
out-
there.
He's
called
our
out-
ride or die.
I called out Caesar that he would die first.
Oh my
in
God.
SGA
He
Star.
did.
Well, it would be unfortunately EJ.
Oh, yeah.
EJ,
But
gonna
it
come
wouldn't
this-
even be from something like it wouldn't be for lack of trying. I think he'd die of boredom.
Oh,
Mm.
yeah.
One word to describe the biology club's spirit.
Humorous.
Yeah.
We laugh a
Lively,
lot.
lively,
Lively,
if you
lively.
will. That's a good
Ooh, I
one.
love that.
What's y'all's lab coat personality? Serious researcher or chaotic scientist? Or what's the persona that you take whenever the
Oh,
lab
yeah.
coat
I'm
dons?
definitely that type B student where it's like, just put whatever information and call it a day.
Nice.
I don't know. My pendulum swings really hard, if you know what I mean. It's one or the other, but it's like very, very, very different ends. Because I do research, guys. I'm locked in like that.
Now, which animal do you think secretly represents your personality?
I'd have to go back to cat because I just love cats. Like
Lion
the
The lioness concerned herself with certain.
Wait, what animal do you think represents your personality, Daniel?
Yeah, that's a good one.
Eeyore from Winnie the Pooh.
Oh,
Eeyore.
bro.
That's horrible.
I've been there.
What about you?
I think I'd be a woolly mammoth.
Low.
Right. And
But guys, what's it called? It looks like it's about to be time. So thank you so much for joining us today, Leslie
Yep, that
and Kaylee.
Kylie.
Kylie, I'm sorry about
It's okay.
that. It was awesome having Biology Club, you guys on the podcast. Do you guys have any closing remarks about this? You could be like, telling students to join. It could be anything.
If you're interested in joining, we always have an Instagram.
Bio Club is open to anyone. And
What is the Instagram?
Yep. It's Bio Club UTRGV on Instagram. Find us. We're the only one. And yep.
It was awesome having you guys.
Thank you for inviting us.
To our listeners, if you want to learn more about Biology Club, you could just follow them on Instagram. Try to join the V link. Attend their next meeting.
Show up, guys, every other Tuesday at 4.
Every Tuesday at 4?
Every other Tuesday at 4.
Where at?
So,
Where at?
Science second floor. What's the number?
2.660.
Yep, 2.160.
Oh, is it?
I believe something like that. 660. It's the first lab. It's the first lab opposite of the lecture halls. Yep.
Okay.
As always, if you have any questions or ideas for SGA Unplugged, you can email kevin.sebastianflores01@utrgv.edu or Daniel at
Daniel.vera02@utrgv.edu.
Thanks for tuning in, and remember to stay curious, stay engaged, and stay Vaquero strong. The UTRGV spirit. Until next time, this is Kevin
And Daniel.
signing off from SGA Unplugged.